been another cave-in.
Okay, let's head south.
No, hey, we should stay here where at least we know we're semi-protected.
I'm not gonna stay here and let this tunnel bury me alive. My kids need me. Carly may never get out of Roselawn. I'm the only parent my sons have left. Nice color.
Yeah, makes me feel warm.
When you wake up in the morning, beautiful garden.
Yeah, I know, and there's a hummingbird feeder right outside this window.
You just love those hummingbirds, right?
Yeah. I love watching them from Michael's window, you know, and I love how the alpha male always chases off all the other birds and he only lets his mate and his babies feed at the feeder. Kind of ferocious about it.
I'm sorry. That I promised, you know.
Your promises, yeah, are broken all the time. What do you do?
If there's anything you need, anything you want.
You know what I want.
The boys need their mother to be well, so I got something to remind you of that. Just, I ordered a couple weeks ago. It's a charm thing for each of our sons, Michael and Morgan. I want you to put it on your wrist, so that way when you lift it.
I love this bracelet. Will you tell Michael and Morgan that I love them too, please?
The doctor's gonna help you. You're gonna let them help you, right? You do that for me.
Yeah. Sonny. I love you.
I love you. You hear that?
Oh yeah, there's somebody else on this train.
Who's there?
Come on out and identify yourself. If you refuse to show yourself, we can only assume that you're a threat.
Whoever it is, we're stuck down here just like you are. Maybe we could help each other, we can find passengers and wait for the rescue team to find us. Carly may never get out of Roselawn, 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 Roselawn.
Why? Did they get a postponement?
No, not that I know of.
Okay, then I gotta be in the courtroom in less than a half an hour.
No, not wearing that.
What are you talking about? You always tell me I had to dress up for a court appearance.
You're on trial for murder, okay? Now here, put this on.
I have a shirt.
It's not blue.
Carly, I don't have time for
this. It
this
doesn't
right
matter
now.
if you walk in the courtroom late, but you need to walk in looking innocent. Now
Okay,
put this on.
But what does it have to do with the color of the shirt I'm wearing?
Because it's the color of your eyes, and I went through 50 to find the perfect color. You have to wear that, Jason. You have to, because it makes you look soft and more gentle, all right? It makes you look like the person you are on the inside, not some hired killer, okay? And that's exactly what the DA is going to turn you into.
I know that you're trying to help me, and I promise you I'm going to wear this shirt. Just not today.
Hey, aren't you scared?
If I'm going to prison, I just know whatever it takes, I'm not going to let myself get locked up. I don't want to do any of this, okay? I don't want to sit in a courtroom for days hearing how vicious I am. And I don't want you buying shirts and telling yourself, if it's blue, I'm not going to get convicted. I don't like seeing you scared.
Okay. All right, then let's make a deal. Okay? I mean, at this time, let's make a deal, all right? From now to the end of the trial, I will not ask you to reassure me, and I will not ask you to tell me that everything's gonna be okay. I won't buy you any more shirts.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on your side. Whatever you need, whatever that means.
Stay there. Look, you're safe. Look, I'm here to get you out.
Jesse's got the first suit. He's bringing him to triage.